Hi guys, welcome to my desk again. Today we're going to do nails, and that's why it's just my desk and my hands. After my last experience with nail stuff, when I tried glue-on nails, my nails haven't fully recovered yet, but I feel like a base coat with some nutrients will help fix them and hopefully restore them. I've been using some oil on my nails and my cuticles. These are not really nails, these are stickers. You choose patterns. Again, not sponsored. I think I'm going to do all dark red nails and floral accent nails. And these fingers from each hand. So I'll just power through this cuticle pushing process. This is a card file. What I'm going to do is dehydrate my nails with the regular nail polish remover to help the base coat stick better, but I'm not going to be filing my nails other than the edges. So, oops, this is one sheet of stickers. Here's the brand, it's Miss Sophie's, and the style is Poisoned Apple. I take it what you do is just get the sheet out of its package, measure the nails, choose your size, and yeah, I think I'm going to do the measuring after the base coat. Base coat applied. I don't have a fan, so I just have to wait. So what to do? All dark and a floral accent, or the other way around? I think I'm gonna go for all dark at first. What they also said is that you can reuse these, and I think I believe them. These seem to be pretty much done. Now, how do I do these? Do I just cut through? What I'm gonna do, I think, is cut between them. Cut it in half. See, you can reuse them. If you cut the sticker in half, see, you can use the other part afterwards. This is the size I chose for the smaller dude. And what they say is that you either cut this with scissors, which I could do, at least a part, or file down the excess. But first you press really well. Okay, I see you. All right. I'll size them all up now and stick them like this one. And afterwards I'll apply the glossy top coat to all of them. I can't forget that this one is going to be the floral accent. Oops, I'm sorry. So far, so good. Big boys, yeah, this one definitely. I have a big thumbnail. Ooh, thumbnails. We gotta do thumbnails. We gotta do a thumbnail. Ooh, so cute. It's not perfect. But see, I'm halfway done. So awesome. Let's see if I don't do the same mistake. So, this one was too small, so I'm going to do this one for the smaller finger. Nice, look. It's a very interesting method. I love it so far. I think better than the false nails, the glue-ons. Who enjoyed doing those sticker albums, collections? You know what I'm talking about? You bought the little sticker bags with 5 to 6 stickers each, and then you reached a point in your collection where all the little sticker bags that you bought were all repeats, and then you would trade stickers with your mates. I've heard someone say that your nails, to measure all your nails because they can be different. I'm not saying I don't believe them. What I'm saying is that I'm too lazy to do that. All right, nice. Ready for next time. And now let's do the accents. Yes, so cute. So cute, right? Okay. And let's grab the same. This one has a big rose. See? This finger is going to have a really nice rose. So cute. Oh, I love this. Okay, let's do the top coat now. Glossy top coat. Wish me luck. The nails I did last are the ones looking better. Yes, as you get used to the technique. Oops, I think I need more top coat. This is really thick. I guess we need to let these dry a bit. I wonder how this method will hold up to, you know, household tasks. Washing dishes, making beds, all of that. Making beds probably is going to be okay because the nails are the original nails, just with a nice decoration on them. Whereas the glue-on nails add an extra layer and sometimes longer, and they keep getting stuck on everything, which is easier to make them pop off than this method. However, we'll see about the dishwashing and the showering and all that stuff. I guess the top coat is supposed to seal them off. Wow, it's dry. Quick drying too. Wow. All right, people, we're done here. I think I'm gonna do the other way around next time. These as the general nails, and then the red ones as just the accent. Okay, people, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is all for today. Please consider giving it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If not, give it a thumbs down. Just interact with it. Please let me know what you think of these in the comments. Do you know this type of method? Not specifically this brand, because I'm assuming there are many brands out there carrying this method, this sticker method. This is all for today, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.